Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sirisha. I will be making a lot of videos about mathematics. Today I am going to post my first video on number system, that is types of numbers. Let's get start the video. Look here. First we need to know how numbers are formed. Numbers are formed with digits. A single symbol used to represent the numbers. Digits are start from 0, 1, 2, 3. That is ranging of digits from 0 to 9. These symbols are combined to form a numerals which represent a larger number. See for example 2, 9. 2, 9 together make a 29. Means 2 and 9 together form a 29. See, 2 is the digit and 9 is also digit. 2 and 9 together form a 29. See, the number 29 is formed by the digits 2 and 9. Suppose 3 and 4. Here the number 34 is formed by the digits 3 and 4. Okay. So it gives suppose 763. This is the largest number. So 7, 6 and 3 is the digits. 7, 6, 3 is digits are formed by the 763. So this is the larger number. Like that larger numbers are formed. So next, first we need to know about what are the numbers. The definition of the numbers are symbols that represent quantities are used for counting, measuring and performing calculation. So this is the definition of numbers. So in the numbers we have the classification of numbers: even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers and composite numbers. Next, let me discuss about even numbers. Even numbers are called multiples of t. Multiples of 2 or the number which are divisible by 2. So example, even numbers are start from 0, 2, 4, 6, so on. So the numbers which are divisible by 2, those numbers are called even numbers. What are the odd numbers? It is the numbers which are not divisible by 2, those numbers are called odd numbers. Example 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Okay. Next, prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? The prime number, the numbers which have only 2 factors, those numbers are called prime numbers. Only 2 factors. So see, suppose 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. So the numbers which have only 2 factors are called prime numbers. So let's see one more example. 3. What are the factors of 3? 1 and 3. So which have only 2 factors. Those numbers are called prime numbers. So next, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, so on. These are the prime numbers. So suppose take 7. What are the factors of 7? 1 and 7. So these numbers are called prime numbers. The numbers which have only 2 factors, those numbers are called prime numbers. So here the one more, or the numbers which have only 2 factors. What are the factors? Here 1 is the common factor for all the numbers and itself the factor. Okay. Here 3, 1, 3 and 1 is the common factor and the number itself the factor. Those numbers are called prime numbers. Next, composite numbers. What are the composite numbers? The numbers which have more than 2 factors. Those numbers are called composite numbers. See, example 4, 6, 9, so on. 4, 6, 9, so on. 4. 4 is the, what are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. The number which have more than 2 factors. This is the example of composite numbers. And 6. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 6 is also composite number. So here in the prime numbers, what is the least prime number? Means what is the smallest number? 2. Smallest prime number is 2. So here 2 in the all prime numbers, 2 is only even prime number. 2 is called only even prime number. And the composite numbers, 4 is the smallest composite number. 4 is the smallest composite number. Okay. Today what we are learned, how numbers are formed, in that what are the digits, definition of digits and definition of numbers, and classification of numbers, even numbers, odd number, prime numbers and composite numbers. Tomorrow we have to know about the types of numbers. So that are natural numbers and whole numbers, some other types of numbers. Okay, thank you.